Do you want to know how to make and keep commitments? Hi, Roman Fischer. If you're new to the channel, then please subscribe. I kindly appreciate it. And then please tap the notification bell so you'll never miss a single video. Many people find it challenging to keep their commitments. It's not really easy to always stay committed. It's not. And there's a good few reasons why people have trouble with this. Whether you're making a really huge commitment or you're just making too many commitments, whatever the reason might be, there's always a reason. There's always a reason why people have trouble keeping their commitments. Fortunately though, I found a way to overcome this problem, this common issue that so many people have trouble with. And what's that solution, you might be asking? Well, it's to only commit to things you can deliver. Don't say you're gonna do something and then not go through with it. I cannot stand when people say they're gonna do something and then they don't do it. Now, I'm not one to talk. Okay, I've been guilty of not going through with what I was saying. I've been guilty, okay? I'm not perfect. I'll admit it. I'll be the first to admit it. I'm not perfect. And I'm gonna give you an example of that right now. You see, several months back, I was supposed to be at a table reading for a gig, for an acting gig. And the unfortunate thing is, I didn't show up. The problem was, I planned so many things on that same weekend. It was nuts. It was crazy. For one, I didn't really manage my time the best. See, that was a problem. But even more than that, I overcommitted. That was my problem. I overcommitted, therefore, I wasn't able to follow through with what I said, with what I planned. It's like, I can't do that. I realized I gotta go about all this a different way. I can't overcommit and have people waiting on me just because it's not convenient for me. I realized I can't commit if I can't stick to it. Like, if I can't stick to it, I can't commit to it, or I shouldn't at least. But all in all, I'm thankful for that experience. It helped me realize I don't want to be like that. It helped me realize I want to be something new. I want to be something different. I want to be something better. And I'm glad. I no longer say I'm going to do something and then don't do it. I only do things I know I can do. So whatever your reason is for breaking commitments, just know that this tip I mentioned earlier will instead help you maintain your commitments. No matter what, it will help you maintain them and not break them. So if you enjoyed today's video, please drop a like. Please share to anybody and everybody who needs to learn how to keep their commitments. And please subscribe to get informed, get inspired, and to get living. Yeah.